Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard User Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the Easy Wake Up option in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, go to the left to the control panel and here scroll to the settings. Go to all settings now, and now scroll to the General Privacy tab. Scroll to the External Device Manager, and here we do have Easy Wake Up. Select On to turn on the screen with a connected device. Ensure that the USB port charging setup is not set to Smart Monitor. This may increase power consumption. You can turn the power off using the bottom Smart Monitor. To enable that, we have to click on this option, and to disable the same thing. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.